Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2017 Mitsubishi Mirage. We need to remove this bumper to be able to do some work here to fix that and replace it. So to remove the bumper, there's going to be there's 3 push pins right here in the fender well. There's 2 onto the bottom and 3 on the other side fender well. So they're just little push pins that you would pull out. But then to be able to remove the rest of the bumper, you have to remove your tail lights. And so to remove the tail lights, we've got the trunk is open. We've got 2 screws right here that are Phillips. And with those removed, then we can just remove the light. And then once we got it off, you can either hang it up or attach it to get it out of your way, or just take all the bulbs out by twisting them in the counterclockwise. And this one here has connections for LEDs in it, and so you just have to pull it and then be able to pull the clip, and then you're going to unclip that, and then that's how you remove the rear tail light. And we would do that on both sides, and the reason we have to do this is because we need to get to this bolt, one on this side, one on that side, and this is a size 10, so we'll remove that and then we'll be able to take the bumper off. Okay, so with those bolts removed, and we've already went around and you kind of pop this side out as well as the other side, and now you'll be able to just... So anyway, we have some electric for the license plate light bulbs, so gotta get the clip. So just by undoing those clips, now we're able to pull the bumper off and to be able to do the work we need to, and then be able to put it back on. So you would just put it back on when you're done in the reverse order. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.